is my 2002 Porsche 911 Carrera. It's a C2, which means it's rear-wheel drive, and it has a 6-speed Getrag transmission. It originally had a 3.6 liter with 320 horsepower. I purchased it in September of 2017, and in December of 2020 I reached out to Flat 6 Innovations about an elective rebuild. I ultimately chose the Track Performer Stage 2 with the 4 liter. It added a few options, and this engine has exceeded my expectations. The torque delivery, the horsepower, the smoothness, the acceleration is just more than I expected. I intentionally asked for and unfortunately received the last build date of 2022. I did that for budgeting reasons, but it meant a longer wait. The wait was worth it, but it was tough waiting as long as I did. Build experience from Flat 6 Innovations was just totally amazing. You're working with professionals that you don't have to worry about, will they do this, will they do that, will they remember this. They know everything that needs to be done. Everything that you ask for is done. You don't have to follow up with them, because they're constantly staying in contact with you, and the whole experience was unlike what we've come to settle for these days. They're very professional and have great communication.